Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to discuss how to fix this transfer was declined by your bank in Cash App. For example, if you have recently sent a transfer and this showing this kind of error, then how you can fix that. So first of all, what you have to do, you have to close this tab, and after that what you have to do next, you have to simply check whether you have selected a correct amount of transfer, which means you have enough credit in your account. And if you have selected greater amount than your credit, then this kind of error occurs. And moreover, what you have to do, you have to simply check the security of your credit card. And after that, what you have to do next, you have to simply press and hold the app if you are using Android phone, and you have to simply go to app info. And if you are using iPhone or iOS device, you have to simply go to the storage, iPhone storage, and you have to simply offload the app. For Android users, you have to simply clear the cache of the app. And after clearing the cache, what you have to do next is you have to check whether your internet connection is working properly or not. If it is not working properly, then you have to make sure that you are connected to a well working internet connection. And after doing all the things, you have to check whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to simply uninstall your Cash App, and you have to install an updated version of your Cash App application, and you have to try that payment again, and this time it will work for you. Hope you have liked this video. If you want to get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.